Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and this is me. I have to go to freshman orientation today, and I'm not excited. I'm eating Freddy's, and then I have to take a shower and get ready, and I look so bad, but like, I hate school. So bye. I love being a YouTuber. Crisis. We're in a crisis. Oh, this is bad. I look horrible. And time is ticking. I'm just gonna leave my hair curly. It took me like 5 different outfits to find out which one I actually wanted to wear. So I gotta do a makeup really fast. Let's see. Use the Vsco blurring primer. Whoa. And the Dr. Brandt moisturizing primer on my nose because it's been dry. So I'm just gonna do like natural neutral makeup. Oh, my nose is bothering me. Next, foundation. NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. Is the lighting even good? I think it actually sucks. I just like this foundation a lot. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna talk a lot because like, bro, I'm gonna rush. Get ready with me for high school or for school orientation. Last year blew up on my channel, so let's see how this one does. It's probably gonna flop. I'm really scared because I'm gonna be a freshman. I have no friends. I have like 2 friends. I'm going to Waffle House after with Ashlyn. And yeah, then I have to wake up at 8:30 in the morning, not for school, for something else. It's just like, I can't even enjoy my summer. Now I've been liking the Maybelline Fit Me powder and the CoverGirl powder. So I'm gonna use them today. I'm gonna use the Fit Me under my eyes because it's like really white, I guess. I don't know. This is in the lightest shade, but they have multiple shades for like different skin tones. My dog just fell. I love that for him. Why does he always fall? I don't really understand. He literally just can't walk straight. Like, it's crazy. What if I put this powder on my hair like when it's oily? What if I did that and it worked? That would be iconic. I meant to only put this under my eyes. I didn't even do concealer. Sis. That's how messed up I am. I'll just put it over the powder. This is gonna be so bad. Oh man. Rest in peace. I mean, see, you know how Lada did it and it worked? Like, she put powder and then concealer and it worked. So maybe it'll work for us. Knowing me and my luck, it probably won't, and it's not. It's not working. I'm very upset right now. I just like need it to work. Why isn't this concealer light enough for me? This concealer might work better. It's a lighter one. Yeah, this is my color. What the heck? I got lighter. Me saying I know how to do makeup and then like not knowing how to do makeup. I'm sorry if like this whole video sucks. I'm literally in a rush because Haley's never ready for anything. But we've been new. I don't want to get any in my eye either because my contacts would be all messed up. Last time I didn't even get to go to the orientation. I got ready and didn't even get to go because like, I don't even remember, but like Hurricane Harvey came in last time, so I guess it's like almost been a year since Hurricane Harvey. And then I'm gonna use the CoverGirl one for all over the face, and I'm gonna use it with like this little puff it came with. I guess I'm gonna just rub it and pat it on my face. Cute. I love that for me. Oh, that's nice. I like it a lot. Next, I'm gonna bronze the face up with the butter bronzer. Actually, should I contour first? Yes. Anastasia contour kit. I look like a ghost. I literally look so scary. So I'm gonna wear lashes to this event because I'm just like trying to be all extra, and I want to be known as that girl that wore lashes to orientation and lashes to school every day. So I really want that for my reputation. I'm gonna try to keep my friend group very, very small this year because I just want to get good grades and get out of high school. I just like want to have fun, go on my phone, you know. I just like am excited to go on my phone because in middle school, if you had your phone out, they would take it up and make you pay $15. And we got clear backpacks, but mine is really cute, so just kidding. It's like, I'll show you it. There's a bunch of pencils in here, but I put like stickers. One from Brandy that says Maui and one from Brandy that says like that. And I have like 100 Brandy stickers or more. So like, yeah, you're not allowed to put stickers, but I'm not gonna put pencils here because that's dumb. I'm gonna put like erasers or something. I don't want people asking me for pencils, so it's not a good idea to like put it in the front. I can't speak. It looks like I have no eyebrows or eyelashes. Contouring my nose is a very serious task, so I don't talk during it. I want to walk in there and be like, hi, my name is Haley Morales, and today, imagine if I walked into the school and was like, hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm gonna be flexing on all y'all. Should I bring Beverly? I'm gonna have no friends. Beverly's my only friend. Beverly's my Gucci purse, by the way. We emphasize Gucci. I don't like to flex, so don't even think of me like that. I like to do my collarbones because, I don't know, it just makes me, instead of like blending the foundation down my neck, I just do the collarbone area and it makes everything look nice. Freaking contour your neck too. Like, I just want a slimmer neck. Yeah, I like beat it. I like go for it. Next, we need to bake the nose. What the heck? I was not even thinking. I didn't even bake the nose yet. I have this little brush just for baking my nose. Sorry I keep looking over here. I'm looking in the mirror. Now blush. Y'all already know the Milani Baked blush and Berry More. Yeah, that's just my favorite blush. Super, super cute. Put some on the nose. Just a little bit because people at school think blush is disgusting. So I'm just trying to fit in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? People at my school think I'm like fake or whatever, but like, I'm really not. Like, I'm just like a normal person that just like has a following. And they just assume all this stuff about me. It's like really funny. Which one? Dark brown. Ooh, I love eyebrows. Do y'all love eyebrows? Doing eyebrows with a brow pencil is my favorite thing. So I'm gonna meet up with Ashlyn at the thing, and then we're gonna like get my classes and see my schedule. And if I'm not in any classes with her, my life is over because she's my only friend in Horizon's classes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. You know what I'm gonna do the whole time? Listen to music. That's all I'm gonna be doing at school. I can't wait to wear makeup every single day. I'm so excited. Like makeup, like don't you just want to wear it 24/7 at 6 in the morning? Why wouldn't you? I mean, come on. One time I didn't wear makeup to school and I think like 5 people asked me if I was sick. Yes?
Are you gonna do your hair?
I'm gonna leave it curly, but I'm gonna do my bangs. My brother went to the high school I'm going to, so I'm gonna be famous. I don't think my brother's popular. Pretty sure he wasn't. Those are the brows, right? They're good, they're fine. I'm really nervous. I don't really like anyone at my school because they all like, I don't know, I just don't really have any friends, so I don't need to impress anyone anyway. Oh, are these brows good? Are they fine? Like, I don't want to be like walking in there with like big brown flaky eyebrows. Like, that just scares me. Cute. I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous. I'm gonna have to pop a few anxiety pills before I go. Hashtag relatable. I feel like they look really dark, but I think it's because I don't have any eyelashes on. I'm just using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Ew, why does it look like my eyes are like the size of peas? That scares me a lot. I think we're good. We're all bronzed up. I mean bronzed up as after I put highlighter on. I love that. I look like a cracky. I look like a cracky. Y'all, I so ugly sometimes, like, I swear. Do you see that? Half of the concealer disappeared off my face. I don't think so. See, me, why don't I have any friends? Also me. Hi, Mom. It's so ugly. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a panic attack. I'm gonna break something. This is the ugliest thing that I could possibly have done. That's it! I was supposed to leave 10 minutes ago. I hate my life. Why is this happening to me? This ain't it. This is gonna be me on the first day of school. Oh, I love that for me. Let's just restart. You know what I mean? My nose burns because hashtag dermatitis gang. I'll be back. Okay guys, we're ready. I got lashes on from Dote Lashes. Use code HALEYMoralesbusiness for $5 or 5% off. They're pretty big. I didn't mean for them to be that big, but I couldn't find my really natural ones. Currently 6:54. We're supposed to be there at 6:30. This is the fit. Brandy Melville. Oh no, Princess Polly. Tal Ever. Oh, Kimber, get in the house. She crazy, bro. She gets out of the backyard every single day. We're about to go. I'm so nervous. I ended up putting some NYX glosses on. I brought Beverly to flex with the matching bracelet. It looks much better. I brushed my teeth for the first time in 2 weeks, so I feel pretty hygienic.
That's gross.
Golden hour.
What time is it over?
I don't know. I'm gonna vlog while I'm there. I wanna be that girl that walks in with like a big camera. It's like, hi guys! I have to use the restroom really bad, like diarrhea, but I'm not going to. Cause we need to go!
Come on.
Guys, we're here! It looks disgusting. Beverly is gonna be here for me though. Right, baby girl. Okay guys, so we came home from orientation and Ashlyn is my best friend, as many of y'all know, and we have 2 classes together, biology and geometry. No, biology and English, and then we have lunch together. So yeah, most of the freshmen have lunch together, but I'm so excited because I'm gonna cheat off Ashlyn. No, but like biology, I'm gonna suck at biology, so she's gonna be helpful because she's very smart. Yeah, the school is huge. I have to go from like the 2000s to the 9000s to the 1000s. Like, it's hard. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. A girl said I have to walk outside for most of the classes. And yeah, so I have to wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. I love that for me. It is currently like 9:30. So I'm gonna like go to sleep and then wake up, and then after that I'm going to a volleyball game. I love school spirit. Not excited for high school. Yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow on my socials, they'll be in the description down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.